Hello everyone, my name is Faiz Akram and today I am going to talk about the control of any digital device by blinking our eye. I am wearing a glass, but this glass cannot help me to control any device, but this helps me to see objects more clearly because it has lenses. But the glass I am talking about is this one, the IR glass, which has one IR sensor here and it has 3 pins, VCC, ground, and the third pin is the output, which will actually help us to control any digital devices. And here I am going to control one LED and buzzer, and then I am going to program this IR glass with the Arduino Nano, and then we will see how we can actually control just by blinking our eye. So let's go and see first of all the components which we need, and then I am going to show you the code and then we will test it out. Here are the components we need to build our project. First of all, we obviously need one IR glass here, which has this IR sensor, and then to program it I am going to use Arduino Nano. You can also use any other microcontroller or any other Arduino. I am going to use Arduino Nano. Okay, and then you will need one buzzer and then one LED. So these are the basic components I am going to use, and the connections are very simple, and which I will also explain in the code. Okay, so now let's go and see how we can program this Arduino. Here is the code I have written to control one LED and buzzer just by using the blink of my eye, and here I have initialized the IR output with the digital pin 2 and the buzzer to the digital pin 6 and the LED to the digital pin 12, and then here we have used serial.begin 9600, which is the baud rate of the Arduino Nano I am using, and then I have initialized a pin mode for the glass IR as input, and the buzzer and LED will be obviously output. And in the loop section here you can see that whenever the digital IR, I am going to read first of all the IR sensor output, and then I am going to store it in the integer digital IR, and then I am going to read that the digital IR. If you want to read the value, then you can also go to the tools and then to the serial monitor, or here also you can directly click this one and you can check out the serial monitor. So the actual code here is this one. Okay, so where I have implemented if else statement, and if the digital IR, which means that if I am going to blink, whenever it will detect that my eye is closed, then it will write buzzer high and as well as the LED high, which means that the LED and buzzer will be high. And similarly, whenever I will open my eye, the LED and buzzer will be low, and this will repeat. Okay, and that's why it is in the void loop, and then there will be a delay of 100 milliseconds. So the code here is very simple, and this way you can also change the code according to your project and whatever you need. So now let's go and test it out, that if it works properly or not. Since we have connected all the components required to control this IR glass, and then we have already programmed it, now it's high time to test it, that if it works properly or not. So I'm just going to take off my usual glass and then I'm going to wear this one. Okay, and I have connected this on the breadboard here, and let's see that if it works or not. So all you need is to maintain a proper distance from your eye, and now see, whenever I am blinking, the LED and buzzer is high. Isn't this amazing that you can actually control any device just by blink of your eye? This IR sensor is only one implemented on this IR glass, but you can also implement one more IR sensor here, so that you will get 4 bits of data and you can control at least 4 devices just by the blink of both of your eyes. So hope you like this project, and if you want to learn robotics or electronics from scratch, then you can go to our website. The link will be in the description, and you can learn robotics and electronics from scratch live, and we will also help you to build your own project which you will like to build. Okay, so have a good day. Thank you.